Farmers told us that this issue of spices board is very important for us. So we included that issue in our 12 demands. We discussed that issue very strongly in very detail with all the three ministers. Ministers, they promised that in upcoming days, they will make a robust structure of this spices board. They have just issued a notification, but that board has not started functioning properly. They promised, but they haven't fulfilled their promise up to this point of time. Other issues also, like the coconut farmers are facing, sugarcane farmers are facing, those issues were also discussed in those meetings. And due to pressure of this current ongoing farmers protest 2.0, on 20th February, Government of India declared that they are increasing FRP of sugarcane by 25 rupees per quintal all over India. So that increment in sugarcane price happened due to this farmer protest 2.0. Another thing which I want to discuss is that in 2019 Lok Sabha elections, out of 398 rural India Lok Sabha seats, BJP won 236 seats. This time, BJP won only 165 seats out of those 398 seats which are in rural India. So basically, BJP government lost more than 71 seats in rural area as compared to 2019 Lok Sabha elections. If you will talk about Punjab, Haryana, all the rural area seats they lost. In Karnataka also, they faced anger from the farming community. In the same manner, in Maharashtra, those 14 Lok Sabha seats which are called as onion belts, NDA lost 13 seats out of those 14 seats. They only won a single seat. So writing is very clear on the wall that farmers and laborers are very angry to BJP. They are opposing the anti-farmer and pro-corporate policies of BJP. And Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, non-political and Kisan Mazdoor Morcha, which are spearheading this farmer protest 2.0, have decided that in the upcoming 2 or 3 months, our movement, our leaders will focus on Haryana and Maharashtra, because in upcoming 3 or 4 months, assembly elections will take place in Haryana and Maharashtra. So in Haryana, in September month, in the starting of September month, we are organizing a big farmers rally, national level rally, in which farmers from more than 20 states will participate and more than 1 lakh farmers will gather in Haryana. And we will give a clear message to the central government that if they will not fulfill our demands, then they will face farmers' anger and they will face massive defeat in upcoming assembly elections as well. This much I want to discuss, and now I request Mr. Sukhjit Singh ji, he is from Punjab. He will also brief you in 2 minutes.
The main motto of this delegation, led by Jagdish Singh Dallewal, to educate the farmers all over India about our demands and progress of the Kisan Andolan too, and the problems being faced by the southern states and other states. That will also be included in our demands. That is why we are here, and also we plan to hand over our demand notice to Chandrababu Naidu and maybe Nitish Kumar also, so that we can address our problems to them who are supporting NDA, and also plan to hand over our demand notice to all opposition MPs on 8th July, and one convention in the 2nd or 3rd week in Delhi from all over India. Farmers will participate in that convention and address all the problems faced by the farmers. Thank you.
Mr. Lakwinder Singh ji.
पत्रकार साथियों, हमारे सीनियर नेतागण ने बता दिया, हमारा जो एसकेएम नॉन पॉलिटिकल का एक प्रतिनिधि मंडल उत्तर भारत से चलता हुआ दक्षिण भारत में पहुंचा है, जिसके लिए हम सबसे पहले राजस्थान में, मध्य प्रदेश, महाराष्ट्र और आज दक्षिण भारत के कर्नाटका में है। इसके आगे पूर्वी भारत में भी जाना है। तो इसका मुख्य उद्देश्य जो आज 135 दिनों से हमारे हरियाणा और पंजाब की 4 जगह पर आंदोलन चल रहा है। किसान आंदोलन 2, जो शंभू मोर्चा, खनौरी मोर्चा, डब्बाली और राजस्थान के रतनपुरा मोर्चा में हमारी मांगों को लेकर एमएसपी खरीद गारंटी कानून को स्वामीनाथन आयोग C2+50 के तहत फसलों के भाव तय करने को लेकर किसान और मजदूर की संपूर्ण कर्जा माफी सहित जो पिछले आंदोलन की लंबित पड़ी मांगों को लेकर जो आंदोलन चल रहा है, उसके लिए हम सब आज जो दक्षिण भारत में आज कर्नाटका बेंगलुरु के प्रेस क्लब में आपसे जो रूबरू हो रहे हैं, तो उसके लिए हम दक्षिण भारत के हमारे किसान भाइयों से कहना चाहते हैं, ये हमारे फसलों का और नस्लों का आंदोलन है। हमारे आने वाली पीढ़ियों को बचाने के लिए, अपने बच्चों को भिक्षा के बचाने के लिए आंदोलन है। इसके लिए हम सब मिलकर अपनी मांगों के लेकर अपने देश व्यापी इस आंदोलन को जी की तरफ लेके जाएं। इसलिए हम सब मिलकर आने वाली तारीख को जो 8 जुलाई को पूरे देश भर के एमपी साहबान 303 एमपी, बीजेपी के 240 को छोड़कर 303 लोकसभा मेंबर को हम अपना मांग पत्र देंगे और अपनी मांगों के प्रति उनको कहेंगे कि आप हमारी आवाज लोकसभा में उठाएं और एक प्राइवेट बिल लेकर आए जो कि फसल खरीद गारंटी कानून के लिए बनाया जाए। इसके लिए आज हम सब आपके प्रेस के माध्यम से अपनी देश की जनता को और सभी पार्टियों के लोगों को, किसानों और मजदूरों की आवाज सुनने के लिए कहते हैं।